Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today let's talk killing bugs. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot. Let's get into this. Starship Troopers Continuums. It's a bug killing machine. I like this game. I like what the developers have done, XR Games. This game reminds me a lot of Farpoint. It was a PlayStation VR 1 game. You played it with the aim support controller, which I had, and I beat that game. It was fire, and this game is right there. The visuals are good. Y'all know me, I like shooters, I like killing bugs, so boom, let's do it. But enough of all of that. Check out the gameplay, and we'll talk about it on the other side. All right, Starship Troopers. Let's go. All right, let's go. Right here, we at the central location. This way you pick all your missions, upgrade your guns. You got your gun right here. You. And you can go, which is crazy, but. All right, let's check it out. Let's go, let's go, let's get some. Right there. Whoa, 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 back up. Back up, back up, back up. Get out of here. What we got, what we got, what we got? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, back up now. Stay out of my face. Yeah, don't do that. You get hurt. Don't mess with a dude with a shotgun. Whoa. Let's go. Don't mess with me. I hate bugs. Who coming? Who coming? Who got it? Final wave. Let's do it. Yeah. Don't mess with a dude with a shotgun. Don't mess with a dude with the shotgun. That could be a song. Like it. If you like to shoot bugs, here we go. Yeah. They coming at me too. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. That's right. What? That's right. I know some ammo crates out here. Listen. All right, ammo crate. So here, right here, you need to pull this down, and this is going to activate this area. Whoa, I don't need that. I'm about to blow myself up. Don't do that. So when you pull this down to activate these machines right here, then I can go get more ammo. And give me ammo. Why I keep pulling these machines? Yeah. So, yeah, I just wasted my frag grenades. They got another gun which I absolutely love, but it's not the shotgun. Look how many guys out there. Look what they got me going against with one shotgun. You got to be a boss to go against all these guys. Yeah, I see you over here. I see you. Get back. Get back. I see you. I see you. Get back. Trying to sneak up on me. So, look. The draw distance is good. I can see everybody all the way back there. The graphics is good. I just like shooting. And I like shooting games. Look at that right there. Booyah! Alright, let's go. We're going in the belly of the beast. Right here.
Yeah, I saw you. You about to kill me, wasn't you? That dude right there. That dude right there. One more. There you go. There you go. I told you. Leave me alone. You coming? You want more? Your horse? Get again. That hurt? What about that? You want more? You want it?
Warriors will keep on coming unless we cave that in. Recon shows there's a rocket launcher supply up
Gotta
on
go
that
get the
ridge
rocket
there.
launcher.
Grab a launcher and keep it steady and fire when ready.
Gotta get a rocket launcher.
Trigger fingers ready. Bugs, close it in.
Almost caught me out there. Come back. Back up now. You're getting a little bit too close, too comfortable. Too close, too comfortable. Too close, too close. Let's go. What are you doing? Get out of here. Too much. I told you that, sir. Get back. Right to your brother. Get out of here. Go. I don't need you. I don't want to see you. You neither. You neither. Get back. Get back. Do you want to see more? What about that in your
Coming
throat?
from the other side of that ridge.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Gun, check. Bugs, check. Bullets, check. Shoot, kill, that's it. That's what I like to do in these type of games. It's a shooter and you go out there and you do your thing. This game is like a roguelike game, so every time one of your soldiers die, you become another soldier. But if you don't die, you can level up that soldier and that soldier become like a citizen or something like that. It gives you extra perks. This game got online co-op play, so you, a couple of buddies, y'all get on and y'all play together. And I love games that have co-op because, hey, sometimes you want to go at it alone, but sometimes you want to bring your friends with you. You know what I'm saying? And this game got like 20 different types of weapons. So keep going, keep leveling up, keep doing all that. And of course, it has the epic boss fights. Starship Troopers Continuum. It's one of those games you have to get. It has to be in your library. And what's cool is, the best time I always tell people to buy games is around Christmas time. This time right here, a lot of games on sale. Pick it up. It's gonna be worth your while. Listen, this game was fire. I enjoyed myself playing this game, and you will too. If you like to shoot and you like shooters, grab this game. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I catch you on another video. Peace.